Namaskar. Hope you all are doing fine during your lockdown. And thank you so much for liking my videos and asking few more queries. So today on demand I have come up with hair care and how you can take care of your hair fall during lockdown period. Hair fall happens because of many reasons. It could be because of illness, long-term illness. It could be because of some surgeries, some drugs. It could be because of dandruff. It could be because of sudden weight loss or a drastic weight loss. It could be because of any dietary imbalance in the body. It could be because of pregnancy or lactation. So whatever could be the reason, we have to take care that we are taking balanced diet. Our diet has right amount of proteins, vitamins, minerals. If you are anemic, then also you will have a severe hair fall. So if you are anemic, you will have to make sure that you have iron-rich diet, wherein the easy way to have that during lockdown period, because we cannot do so many things, take a banana and just add 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey in it and have once in a day and do it for a month. You will see good change. You can have munakka, soaked munakka overnight, and you can have it next morning, removing seeds out of it. You can have apple juice mixed with beetroot juice, and that you can have empty stomach or maybe before meal, half an hour before meal, and make sure that you're not taking anything after that. So this was regarding the diet, and I could give you many tips on the diet, maybe in my next video. And you can use few packs also at home, which are very easy. Suppose you are lactating, then also you will face some hair fall because of low level of estrogens in the body. And suppose you are under stress, then also you will have hair fall because your follicles go into the resting phase. So whatever are the reasons, but you have to make sure that you have to take care of that part as well, because only putting packs and only applying oil would not do the needful unless and until you do something extra at your end also. What you can do, you can take methi dana paste and you can apply that in the roots and leave it for 40 minutes. Do it once in a week, or you can do twice in a week. Or what you can do the best is that take equal amount of curry patta, fenugreek seeds, you can take Nimbu ka chilka, and you can take moong dal, which is sabut moong dal. Make a powder out of it. You can put chikakai, also same amount. Make a powder of it and store it in a jar and make it a pack and use it thrice in a week. Leave it for 30 to 40 minutes. This would definitely be giving you very good control on hair fall. Third remedy, what you can do is you can take coconut milk and apply in your hair roots twice in a week. That would also be helping you. And what else you can do if you have dandruff, cut lemon from between and scrub the lemon on your scalp, on the roots, and it should be there in your root till it gets dry. So guys, if you are going to follow these remedies along with the diet what I have told you, I'm sure you're going to arrest your hair fall during the lockdown. And if you have severe hair fall, I'm sure it is going to help you, but definitely you would be needing some multivitamins along with it, and maybe you would be needing some treatment. So till then, till the time you have lockdown, you can follow all these, and then maybe we can meet up and we can take care of it. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home, stay blessed, and love your Mother Nature. Thank you.